Hi Year 2! Today we are going to write our instructions to make our musical instruments. So yesterday you wrote your plan and you will need that, so make sure you've got it to hand. And today we're going to use that to put it into sentences so somebody else could make your musical instrument. Okay, let's go! Okay, so I'm going to use my plan to write my instructions. So I'm going to start with the title, and the title is How to Make a Musical Instrument. So I'll write that at the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my plan to write my introduction. Now I started my plan with a question yesterday, and that is how I'm going to start my introduction. So, have you been eating lots of chocolate? With a question mark at the end. Then I'm going to say you can use the wrappers and the box to make a musical instrument. Now I think we can make this sentence a little bit better by adding an adjective to describe the wrappers and an adjective to describe the box. So I would like you to pause the video and think of an adjective to describe some chocolate wrappers and an adjective to describe the chocolate box. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. I went for shiny wrappers and the plastic box. I'm sure you will have thought of different adjectives to me, and I expect some of you even put a list sentence in there. So if you did, a big well done. Okay, so I'm going to carry on, and my next sentence is going to be an exclamation sentence. What? We know they always start with what or how. What a great idea that would be. And we know I need an exclamation mark at the end. And then I'll finish my introduction by writing, read on to find out how to make it. Full stop. Okay, I would like you to pause the video and use your plan to write an introduction for your musical instrument. So it will be a little bit different to mine, but you can still start with a question, then maybe think about an answer to that question, then maybe put an exclamation sentence and end it with a read on sentence, which actually is a command. Okay, so pause the video now and then restart it once you have written your introduction. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. You should all have written your introduction by now. And the next thing to write is the list of equipment. So you can put a subheading for the equipment. And then you can use bullet points to write the different things you need. So I need a plastic chocolate box. I need some chocolate wrappers. Some glue. Oh, some wrapping paper. And some scissors. And you can copy this directly from your plan from yesterday because you wrote the equipment list. Okay, so pause the video and write your list of equipment now. Okay, welcome back. So you should now have your title, your introduction, and your list of equipment. Now the last thing to do is write the actual instructions, so the person reading this knows what to do. They will know how to make your musical instrument. Now when we write instructions, we put numbers, so we know that we have to do things in an order. So I'm going to start with number 1, and using my plan from yesterday, my imperative verb was cut and my adverb was carefully. So I'm going to write carefully cut a piece of wrapping paper the same size as the top of the chocolate box. Okay, then number 2. My imperative verb was decorate and my adverb was beautifully. So I'm going to write decorate the paper beautifully. Beautifully. Don't forget my full stop. Then number 3, my imperative verb was glue and my adverb was securely. So I'm going to say glue the paper to the box securely. And actually, I think I am going to use a conjunction here to extend my sentence. So I'm going to write glue the paper to the box securely because you don't, that's short for do not, don't want it to fall off. Full stop. Then number 4, I'm going to write fill the box with, here's my adjective again, shiny chocolate wrappers. I'm going to extend this one as well. Fill the box with shiny chocolate wrappers until it is half full. And finally, number 5. In fact, I like that word. I'm going to start with finally. That's a time adverb in there as well. Finally, place the lid on the box tightly. So now it's over to you to write your step-by-step instructions. Okay, so make sure you use all the different steps from your plan to make sure that you don't miss anything out. When you have finished, you can have a look at our success criteria, or our how. This is how you can be successful at this piece of writing, and see if you have included everything. So you can tick in the me column. And if there are any things you haven't included, don't worry for today, because tomorrow we are going to look back at this piece of writing and edit it. Okay, so do your best today and we will improve it tomorrow. Okay, off you go. Bye.